Hey traders, I am so excited to be here with you on a Monday morning. Most people out there hate Mondays. I used to hate Mondays, but when I found trading, I started hating the weekends. I know most people don't understand that, but if you're a trader, I know you absolutely understand that. The weekends seem to drag and the weekdays take forever to get back. The traders I know love their jobs. They hate the weekends. They just cannot wait for Monday morning to get here and be able to start trading again. And I'm the same way, guys. I absolutely love trading. I love teaching. I definitely want to teach. I love helping you guys out as much as I can. I'm going to be doing this forever, guys. I'm going to be doing this until the hair on my head travels to my ears and my nose. And I'm so excited for you to be on this journey with me. Let's get to the live trades. Okay, most of what I'm seeing pre-market, I'm not a fan of. Trying to stay positive here, of course, but you know, that's probably our leading gapper, and it's on a 5-cent tick pilot program, which I'm not a fan of. TCCO is a 5-cent tick program as well. I am more interested in this one if it breaks 590 pre-market highs. It's on earnings. It's a lower flow. It's got a pretty nice chart pattern. Its 200 day is at 584, so it can get squeezed and break up through that. Shout out to Pure and Trades, locates on TEUM. So TCCO is probably my favorite. It's still on that 5-cent pilot program. I'm not a huge fan of that because, as you guys know, I like trading market orders on momentum. And, of course, getting slippage on a 5-cent tick pilot program is probably not the funnest. And then OXBR was Friday's gainer, and this one's a 5-cent as well. So I guess this is what we're stuck with today. Okay, thanks to Pure and Trades, TEUM, I looked at, we do have shorts for this, and this one is gapping up pretty good. It's at 330 right now. Here's the daily chart on this one. It's got room maybe to 359, but 350 is going to get stopped up as pretty tough resistance at that $0.50. So we can look for a short around 350. $3 right here is going to be pretty solid support because we got 1 right here, 2 right here, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, you guys get it. $3 is going to be really tough support to crack beneath. TCCO, I would be very interested in a position right around here. It's right around the VWAP. It's making a higher low. It's on light volume. I think at the open we could see a pretty good spike up. You know how I am. I don't like to trade pre-market really. I don't like to trade right at the open either. 520 is good support here. Let me look for an entry right here at 425. Oh, I got filled 100 shares. 200 shares. I got a partial fill. It's pretty slow right here at the open. Just going to give it a second here. Nothing too explosive going on. Looks like we got about 3,000 shares at 555. All right, we broke through that. Now we're coming up to 565, 550. So if we can break pre-market highs, that's 590. The 200 day is coming up here at 590. That's basically going to be my selling point right there. We're sitting at 550 right now. Okay. A lot of sellers were coming in right there that I noticed. So I just took out the 550 orders on the bid. I don't like when it sits stagnant like that. It's telling me I need to probably be getting out. Around whole dollars and half dollars, you want to be breaking up through them pretty strong. So that's the reason I sold right there. Okay, TEUM is having its sell-off. I missed the short on that one. I mean, if it comes up near the VWAP, I'll probably end up shorting it at 327 because at least the first touch of the VWAP is going to be tough resistance. If it ends up touching it twice, it's the second time or third time would definitely be able to break through. But first time is usually always bearish as far as getting up to that VWAP is concerned. CHKE, this one's having a nice break of the 50-day. It's got room to go up to 140, the 200 day. So this one's at 78 cents right now. That one's not looking bad. Yeah, it looks like some chat room's probably buying up CHCI right now. I definitely wouldn't be touching CHCI. It's got no news. It's got good upper shadows on the daily. There's no real reason to be breaking the 50-day. This one's going to sell off pretty quick. After this chat room pump, whichever chat room this is, it's going to sell off pretty quick. Exactly. I mean, you have 320 bids, and then in the matter of seconds, it just drops all the way down to $3. So this was a perfect example of looking at the daily chart. Absolute perfect example for you guys. Look at the daily today. This one got stopped up right at its 200 day. CHKE, this would be an entry if you like playing these type of stocks. Right here around the VWAP at 72 cents. Tempted to play this. I'll go for a 318 entry. How about that? I gotta do a limit order on this one. You know how I always miss my entries. Let's get 316s taken out. Get filled up around 318. Okay, I'm short in it at 315. I got really trigger happy with this doji star right here at 315. I'm risking 5 cents. So basically what I made today. My eyes are on the level 2. I'm watching this very closely because it's trying to break 320. It's trying to break this VWAP. So I got 1,400 shares average of like 316. So we trapped some longs right there that were trying to buy the break of the VWAP, and it ended up just being a bull trap, which is what I was thinking. It's like, okay, I'm not going to short something and the whole market's going to turn bullish on me. But that would be my luck. I'm just getting out. I'm just tired of sitting here. I've been sitting here for 30 minutes. Honestly, just getting a little tired of sitting here. The risk reward was terrible on that. I will 100% admit that. But also, if any of you have been sitting in a stock for 30 minutes and been down the whole time and then you turn green, it's like, okay, let's just take something. I'm getting a little tired. Was it the biggest profit in the world? Not really. Should I have lost on that? Yeah, probably. But at the end of the day, I can go get something off the dollar menu now. A few weeks ago, I made $1,000 in like 15 minutes. Before that, I've made $600, $700, $800 within a few minutes. So when I have to sit in a stock and I'm just going up and down in profit a few bucks, I get a little fed up with it, honestly. That's why I really don't trade higher float stocks. I stick to around 5 million or less in the float. Obviously, this 74-cent VWAP area on CHKE is looking a little prettier right now. I mean, come on, guys. There were a couple plays that were profitable out there, but they look just like chat room pumps. Honestly, CHKE is probably at TEUM for the short at the start of the day. The one I played was light on volume. It wasn't even that great of a trade. I only got filled 200 shares. On days like today, you really got to know how to be disciplined and patient. And Pure and Trades just sent me this quote. Trade the market we are in. Don't trade the market that you want to be in. So obviously, I want to size in and make a ton of money. But the market is telling me you're going to lose your money if you do that. You got to trade what the market's telling you. I like to say make yourself available to the market. Make yourself available to the opportunities that present themselves. Don't force opportunities to be there that aren't. Just sit and wait for good opportunities to present themselves, and when they do, just jump on them and you'll be profitable. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you made money today, but it was tough. Things are going to pick back up come September, October, November, December, January. The summer's almost done, and we're excited to get back into the heat of things. I'll see you tomorrow.